Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Arun and in this video we are going to discuss SAP SuccessFactors. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and turn on your notifications so that you will get notified every time I make a video about SAP and its products. So going forward, these are the chapters we are going to discuss in this video. Firstly, let's take a quick look at the introduction to SAP SuccessFactors. Then we will discuss about different types of modules available in SuccessFactors, how you can learn SuccessFactors, and different types of jobs that you can get once you learn SuccessFactors. So if you're a student or someone planning to learn SuccessFactors, then watch the full video as there are some useful content available for you towards the end. Alright, now let's get into the topic. What is SuccessFactors? SuccessFactors is an HR application that is offered by SAP. It is one of the most commonly used HR applications in the world. It's very famous. It is a cloud-based tool offered as software as a service, which means the customers pay a subscription fee to gain access to the software that is hosted by SAP. So what is SAP SuccessFactors used for? It is used to manage end-to-end HR business processes. Let's take an example. Say, for example, there is an organization and they have multiple employees. It can be 10 employees or 10,000 employees. It doesn't matter. But when you have employees, there are certain things that must be managed for them. Things like salary, the employees must be paid on a regular basis, so that's payroll. And compensation, which can be bonuses or commissions related to sales. And then time and attendance, which is documenting how many days a particular employee worked, or how many annual leaves, sick leaves, and long service leaves he has taken or he has got, and all those sort of things. And then training. So the employees must be trained so that they can do their job in a better way, and as well as they can improve themselves and move on to different roles and things like that. Then performance management. So their managers need to manage their performance so that at the end of the year, the managers know how much appraisals that this particular employee should receive and how much bonus should they receive and all those sort of stuff. And then HR documents. So employees must be able to access documents like pay slips, employee certificates, referral documents. If they have retired, then documents related to retirement and all those sort of things. Recruitment. So new people must be recruited, and then onboarding, and those new employees must be onboarded into the company. So these are some of the most important processes when it comes to human resources and employee management. And you need a sophisticated software to manage these things, and that is what SAP SuccessFactors can do. So a bit of an introduction to SAP SuccessFactors. It was founded by Lars Dalgaard in 2001 and was actually acquired by SAP in 2011. SAP SuccessFactors, as I mentioned before, is one of the most commonly used HR software in the world. According to SAP, it is used by more than 12,000 customers in 200 plus countries around the world. It has also got more than 191 million users. The reason for its popularity is it offers a rich variety of functionalities for organizations to manage the end-to-end HR business processes of their employees much more efficiently. Right, so it competes with the likes of Workday, Oracle, Ceridian, Bamboo HR, PeopleStrong, and there are so many HR applications available which are offered by different companies, but SuccessFactors is one of the most commonly used and most famous ones, at least for big organizations. And then when it comes to integrations, SuccessFactors can be integrated with other SAP applications like S4HANA, and as well as with third-party applications like Oracle, Salesforce, using either SAP BTP, which is Business Technology Platform, or there are other integration softwares like MuleSoft available, which can be used to integrate SuccessFactors with other applications. Alright, now let's talk about the modules of SuccessFactors in detail. The modules or functionalities are divided into three main categories. First one is the core HR, the second one is talent management, and the third one is reporting and analytics. So modules under core HR are SAP SuccessFactors Employee Central and Employee Central Payroll. Modules under talent management are performance and goals, compensation, recruiting, onboarding, learning, succession and development. And there is reporting and analytics which is not further divided into subcategories, but it sits across all modules from an analytics perspective. Right. Let's take a look at the core HR modules in SuccessFactors in details now. So first one is Employee Central. As I mentioned previously, there are some core HR activities that organizations must take care of irrespective of their size. Those activities include things like time and attendance management, document management, employee master data management, HR documents, and all those sort of stuff. And SuccessFactors Employee Central offers these kind of functionality. The next one is Employee Central Payroll. This module is used to process payroll for the employees of an organization. It offers functionalities like automated payroll calculation, proactive payroll information, payroll self-service, and automated payroll management. And then talent management modules. The first one is Performance and Goals. This module helps organizations align their strategy and goals, improve employee performance through ongoing coaching and feedback, and also helps to recognize top talent. It offers functionalities like employee goal management, continuous performance management, 360-degree feedback and evaluations, and guided action planning, and all those sort of stuff. It basically helps employees to, record their goals, what they want to achieve going forward, and how are they going to achieve it. And the managers can manage these things and the performance on an ongoing basis. In a timely manner, they can have a chat with the employee and ask, okay, you got these goals mentioned in your performance and goals. Are you working towards those goals? If yes, how are you working towards those goals? What progress have you made? And is there any help that you need from a manager in order to achieve your goals, and all those sort of stuff? So these things can be managed with the help of this performance and goals modules in SuccessFactors. And then compensation management. Managing compensations for employees can get complex, especially for organizations with hundreds of thousands of employees. This module in SuccessFactors helps those companies to build and manage strategic compensation programs that align with the needs of their employees, the company, and as per their budget. Right? It offers functionalities like guided compensation planning, continuous rewards, and personalized recognition programs. So basically like bonuses. And if you're working in a sales team, then you might be entitled to some sort of commissions based on the amount of things you sell. And there can be small employee recognition programs like, if you go above and beyond in your job, sometimes they can appreciate you with some sort of monetary funds like gift cards and things like that. So all of these things comes under compensation management. And then recruiting. So identifying the right talent is really important for any organization. And nowadays organizations are adopting a lot of modern techniques to recruit people. Things like, they use social media platforms, virtual reality communications, application tracking systems, and all those sort of stuff. So SuccessFactors recruiting module helps organizations to use these type of modern ways to recruit top talents. It includes functionalities like engaging candidate experiences, global and diverse talent sourcing, candidate relationship management, and comprehensive applications management. And then onboarding. So once the employees are recruited, organizations require a robust onboarding process to onboard them seamlessly into the organization, right? So now, not just onboarding, but SuccessFactors onboarding module also offers functionalities for offboarding when an employee leaves the company, and crossboarding if an employee moves from one team to another team within the same organization, and rehiring programs as well. Like our employee might have left the organization and he might be coming back, within 6 months or 1 year or 2 years or something like that. So there are different types of HR processes that must be followed when it comes to onboarding, offboarding, and crossboarding, and all these type of things. And this onboarding module in SuccessFactors helps organizations to do that. Learning. The learning module in SuccessFactors provides innovative capabilities that can help organizations create a culture of continuous learning with the corporate learning management system. It offers a modern and engaging learning experience, extended enterprise learning, and automated compliance training capabilities, and all those sort of stuff. So An organization might have requirements for compliances, so there might be some training that all the employees must complete so that the organization can be compliant. Or if it's a construction company, the employees must complete some sort of learning or certifications, like the security and safety certifications before they step into the construction sites. So those type of certifications, learnings, and compliance trainings, all of those things can be learned under this learning module. Succession and development. So this module can help organizations develop the talent they need to achieve business goals while providing visibility and planning capabilities to support their future growth. It offers capabilities like skills-based development planning, skills and leadership development, talent reviews, and collaboration tools. So basically, this module helps organizations to offer training and development materials to their employees based on their goals, as well as based on whom the organization think might be a better candidate for a particular role, so that they can nurture them and help them achieve those roles and responsibilities in the future. So for example, if a particular person has been recognized as a leadership talent, then the organization can provide him with all the required skills and trainings in order for him or her to develop into that leadership role, so that going forward, a leadership opportunity comes up, then that particular person can be recommended for that type of role. So all these things can be managed using the succession and development module in SuccessFactors. And then reporting and analytics. So analytics is very important to clearly understand the hidden metrics and insights within the master data. And the analytics solution within SuccessFactors help organizations to improve business decisions with trusted intelligence. Using integrated data from multiple business systems, they can investigate trends in hiring, diversity, turnover, and performance, and see how investments in people impact their business results, and share trends and insights with compelling visualizations and all those sort of stuff. So basically, as we saw, SuccessFactors has got a lot of modules and functionalities, and you can do a lot of things with these functionalities, right? But the reporting and analytics is really important for the management to understand whatever they are doing, what type of effect it is having on their employees. For example, they are offering trainings. How many employees are taking those trainings? How many employees are completing those trainings? Are those trainings relevant for those employees in order to achieve their goals? How many employees are improving in their roles based on the performance and goals and all those sort of stuff. So it requires a good analytics platform in order to measure the metrics around all these functionalities. And reporting and analytics functionalities in SuccessFactors offer that. So the SuccessFactors offers 3 different types of analytics functionalities. So they are workforce analytics, workforce planning, and enterprise analytics. So now, the most important part, if you're a student, how can you learn SAP SuccessFactors? So there are 3 ways mainly through which you can learn SuccessFactors. The first one is SAP SuccessFactors Community. This is a one-stop shop for SAP SuccessFactors. Here you can learn about different modules, their functionalities, upcoming capabilities, like what are the new capabilities that they are going to release in the upcoming releases and versions. Release readiness. So if you already have SuccessFactors, there is a quarterly releases, and now it is, I think, half-yearly releases. So what are the new functionalities that are going to come through in those half-yearly releases, the updates? How can you prepare yourself in order to adopt those new functionalities and things like that? And then it also has information about events, like in your local town, there might be a SuccessFactors event happening where other customers can come and participate and speak about how they have implemented SuccessFactors in their organization and all those sort of stuff. So you can get invitations for those events in this SuccessFactors community. People or SAP hosts webinars, tutorials, blogs, and you also get opportunity to collaborate with other customers and influencers as well once you participate in this community. But in order to log into this as SuccessFactors community, you will require an SUser ID. SUser ID is usually provided to SAP customers. So if you're already working for an organization which is an SAP customer, then you can ask your SUser admin within your organization to create an SUser ID for you, so that using that you can log into the SuccessFactors community. The next one is OpenSAP courses. OpenSAP is a free platform owned by SAP. They offer free courses for everyone about various SAP products and business processes, including SuccessFactors. So anyone can register for free and start consuming the courses. And then SAP training and certification. So this is SAP's official training and certification shop. SAP offers paid training and certifications for a variety of its products through this platform. So training is available as both on-site and remote learning methods, and you can use this link and see what are the list of trainings that are available when it comes to SuccessFactors. And I have provided all these links and other information in my blog. I have provided the link to the blog in the video description below. Alright, so the next one, what type of jobs can you get once you learn SuccessFactors? Just like a lot of SAP products or applications, there are mainly two types of jobs that you can get, and it's the same for SuccessFactors as well. So one is the end user, and end user is someone who uses the SuccessFactors application to perform their day-to-day work. For example, roles like HR recruiters, HR administrators, payroll administrators, or managers, employees, all use SuccessFactors for various purposes. So you can become an HR consultant by learning HR business processes, and learning SuccessFactors along with that will help you get a job in a company that uses SuccessFactors for their HR operations and business processes, right? And then there is SuccessFactors consultants. So when organizations receive access to a brand new SuccessFactors system or tenant, the SuccessFactors system must be configured as per the organization's requirements, right? So configurations includes setting up business flow, importing master data, and setting up rules, parameters, and setting up of integration between SuccessFactors and other systems like SAP ECC or SuccessFactors or a CRM system. A SuccessFactors consultant will perform all these type of activities. So basically configuring the system according to an organization's requirement, and the training the end users, and making sure that the organization can perform all its HR business processes using the software. So that's the role of a SuccessFactors consultant. So if you learn SuccessFactors, then probably you can become an end user. Like if you're a HR recruiter or administrator and you learn SuccessFactors, then you might probably get a job in a company which uses SuccessFactors for their day-to-day operations, or you can also become a SuccessFactors consultant. Alright, so we have come to the end of the video. Let me know in the comment section, are you planning to learn SuccessFactors? If yes, which modules are you planning to concentrate on? Why did you choose SuccessFactors and all this type of stuff? It will be really good to understand your plans and what made you to choose SuccessFactors as well. Hope this was useful. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends as well. It might be beneficial for them. Thank you, and see you soon in another video.